for all of your real estate needs. Call Tim Crane, 731-607-0118 extension 3-bed/2-bath fixer-upper home on January 2nd acre in the country. This home is in rough shape. There will be electrical, plumbing, subflooring, flooring and other woodwork required to get this home in good condition. Possible owner financing with no credit checks and at least $5,000 down and balance held. 10% APR interest with payments of $274 per MTHF over 5 years. Here's your chance to own a home at a great price. Call today.